Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a brand new collection designed by Laurel. She's a brand new designer and it's her second collection for Craft Stash. So I'm going to show you all the products first and then I will show you all the cards I created with this collection. As always, I'm going to link the collection below the video so you can check it out, and you can check out the previous collection Laurel designed for Craft Stash as well. So we've got two embossing folders, and these are really pretty 3D embossing folders. These are A2 size. So the first one is called Winter Rooftops. And so let me show you, you know how the embossing folders looks like, and this one looks really nice, and I will show you my project and you will see how beautifully they emboss. The second one is called Spring Garden, and again this beautiful view with the bench, with the little path, with those spring flowers, really pretty. Then we've got two cutting die sets. This one is called Window View and Window Accessories. There are 7 and 10 pieces sets. I'm not gonna, maybe I'll show you. Actually, I've got some bits and pieces cut out in them, and the ones I had left over. So you've got this beautiful window. You can see that the size is really nice and big. So let me actually tell you. So it's just a 4 1/4 and 3 3/4 tall, and we've got this beautiful like icicles, which looks really pretty. We've got some snowflakes, we've got this star, we've got those extra handles as well. So there are lots of beautiful elements you can use for your projects. And then the second one is the accessories to decorate your window. So we've got the curtains, we've got the curtain pole, we've got some books, plants, pots, and yeah, there is one thing which doesn't show, it's not shown on this front cover, is there is actually, I found there's a little teacup. So we've got those curtains, and look at this. Look at this. This is something which I can't really see on the packaging, but we've got this little die for a teacup, which is nice. And I didn't actually count if it's actually total 10 pieces or with that one 11, because we've got those extra separate ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Did I count correctly? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, it's actually included in the total of 10 pieces. So this is the second set. And then I will show you the stamps and dies. So we've got 3 cutting dies which will cut those sentiments. Happy new home, keep your mind open, and this one is warm birthday wishes, and you can put them into that frame which is here. So you've got those dies together with those beautiful stamps, and look at those stamps. Let me show it this way. We've got a bee, dragonfly, we've got lots of different flowers, foliage, we've got those 2 trees as well, and I've got of course other sentiments as well. We've got some little grass as well, and we've got different elements. I love those tulips actually, and a lavender as well. So I love that set. And then we've got this set, and this one is called Through the Window. So you can create that scene, and maybe I will show you. Which one is it? As a scene on your card, as a focal point, any of them, because this one it's like a spring house, and this one is more like with a winter theme. You can see those snow on those branches and on those hills as well. I hope you can see it, so you can color those accordingly. And of course lots of sentiments. You've got extra clouds, you've got the moon, we've got the sun as well. Really pretty set, and it's actually quite big. So this one is 5x7 card, and I use that bottom one just as an image, and I use watercolors to color it. And of course I added those birdies here, and that sentiment is from that set as well. So all those elements are from that one stamp set. Wishing you a beautiful day. So this one you can use as it is, as a stamp without the window, or as I did on this one, I use the window together with that winter scene, and as you can see it's nice and sparkly. So I use that those icicles, those snowflakes, are really nice glittery and snowy scene. I really love those two cards. I hope you like it as well. And then I use the other card to create this window with those Christmas trees, which are from that other set with the cutting dies. With those sentiments, and of course I added dragonflies to create like a spring card, and this one is a wintry one. Then I've got another one where I use that 3D embossing folder. Look at that, how deep is that embossing folder, and I used inks first, and then I use a little bit of watercolor to add more color to that image, and those curtains and the pole, the cat sitting on the fence, and this one is like a window sill, that little panel across. And then my last project is the one with the rooftops. It's supposed to be like a wintry, what's the name of that embossing folder exactly? Winter rooftops, but I just inked it, and to me it's like a spring card with pinks, golds. Happy new home was embossed with gold embossing powder, and those lavender. I think it looks really nice, and I created like a like slightly thicker edge around it just to highlight this beautiful embossed image. So these are my 5 projects with this beautiful new collection by Laurel, and it's available on Craft Stash. Of course, I'm going to link it below the video, so if you can let me know which card is your favorite and what do you like about this collection. I think my favorites are those two, because they are made with using the same stamp set, but you can see that you can achieve different effect. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you're not going to miss any new upcoming videos. Let me know about which card is your favorite. Maybe you do actually have a favorite, maybe you want to actually recreate any of those cards, which would make me really happy, so you can tag me along so I can see it as well. I will try to do some step-by-step video tutorials maybe for this one, because I really like it and I would love to have it handy for when I will be sending my festive cards, because I think this one is really cute. Or maybe I will do one tutorial where I show you how I do watercolors. I'm not brilliant at watercolors, but I think this one looks really pretty, and with the stamp set you can do it yourself as well. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your comments, your likes, and for your subscription, and I will see you very soon with my next video tutorial. Bye for now.